Let us know about orthogonal matrices. A square matrix is orthogonal if A into A transpose is equal to A transpose into A is equal to an identity matrix. Let A be a matrix with elements A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Therefore, A into A transpose in mathematical form can be written as: on multiplication of A and A transpose, we get summation A1 square, summation A1 B1, summation A1 C1, summation A1 B1, summation B1 square, summation B1 C1, summation A1 C1, summation B1 C1, and summation C1 square. Summation A1 square equals A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square. If A into A transpose is equal to an identity matrix, then summation A1 square is equal to summation B1 square is equal to summation C1 square must be equal to 1. This implies summation A1 B1 is equal to summation B1 C1 is equal to summation A1 C1 is equal to 0. Hence, we can say that orthogonal matrix A represents three mutually perpendicular unit vectors. Let us have an example. If matrix A is equal to cos x, sin x, minus sin x, cos x, then using the principle of mathematical induction, prove that an is equal to cos nx, sin nx, minus sin nx, cos kx, where n belongs to n. Checking for n is equal to 1, we get A is equal to cos x, sin x, minus sin x, cos x. So, it is true for n is equal to 1. Let it be true for n is equal to k. Checking for n is equal to k, we get ak is equal to cos of kx, sin kx, minus sin kx, cos kx. Therefore, now a k plus 1 is equal to ak into a. On multiplication of ak and on further simplification, we get a k plus 1 is equal to cos of k plus 1x, sin of k plus 1x, minus sin of k plus 1x, and cos of k plus 1x. Therefore, it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Thus, it's true for all n belonging to n. Let us have another example. Let A be a matrix of elements 2, 2, minus 1, 2, and fx is equal to x square minus 4x plus 7. Show that f of A is equal to 0. Use this result to find A5. F of A is equal to A square minus 4a plus 7 into I. On further simplification, we get f of A is equal to a null matrix. Thus, we have A square minus 4a plus 7i is equal to 0. This implies A square is equal to 4a minus 7i. This implies A square into A square is equal to A to the power 4 is equal to 4a minus 7i into 4a minus 7i, which on simplification we get 8a minus 63i. On multiplying A to the power 4 by matrix A, we get 8a square minus 63a. On substituting A square is equal to 4a minus 7i, we get minus 31a minus 56i is equal to a to the power 5. On substituting the value of matrix A and identity matrix, we get A5 is equal to minus 118, minus 93, 31, minus 118.